Hello and welcome to Paddock. Today we're going to use the sampling app to add our trading names, farms and paddock to the system. So from the home screen of Paddock Mobile, we're going to touch on sampling. We're just going to complete a quick sync on the way in. That should take around 30 seconds or so, and then it'll jump into the next part of the product. Once you're in, it's time to touch on trading names down in the bottom toolbar. This is where we're going to add our new trading names, farm, assigned contact, and paddocks. So I'm going to touch on the plus sign in the top right corner to add a new trading name. I'm going to call this one adding new today and touch on OK. Once you've done that, you're going to find that new trading name in your list, touch on the new trading name, and now we're on the farms page. Now at this stage, if you have a contact already available for this farm, you would simply continue. If you don't have a contact yet, then let's go to contacts and we're going to add in a new contact for this farm. So this would be your grower's name, for example, or it may be your own. So type in their first name, type in the surname, type in their email. This is the minimum information that's required to create this, and this is the information that will print on your reports. And postcode. Once you've completed that, just save. Okay, that's the contact. Now we're ready to create the farm. So back to trading names we go, and we're on that same farm page. So to add a farm, we're going to touch on add in the top right corner, and we're going to touch on our farm name and touch on OK. Once we're there, we're ready to select that contact that we just created. So my contact will be in this list, as will yours. So it's just a matter of finding that one. We'll go with this one. Now we're ready to add paddocks to our farms, or at this stage you could add any other farms that you would like to add. If I touch on my first farm, I can now add paddocks. If I touch on the plus sign in the top right, I can add that first name. So I'm going to call this one Triangle Paddock and touch on OK. I'm then going to add another paddock, which I will of course call Windmill. And I'm also going to add a third paddock by touching on the plus sign again, and I'm going to call this one Spotto. Oops. Just be aware of autocorrect and then touch OK. I have now successfully added a trading name, farm and paddock to my sampling app. So if I wanted to, I could go out and complete some sampling in those 3 paddocks in my farm name farm for my new trading name. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.